Welcome to playoff match number 7 here at Girls Gen. All of our pre-programmed instructions running on, it looks like 5 of the 6 machines. Still waiting to see anything from Iron Riders here. Actually, they seem to have the A-stop enabled on their machine. 25 points on the board for blue, 20 points for red. And off we go with drivers now at the helm of these machines. This is an upper bracket match, so regardless of the outcome of this one, we're going to see more of each of these alliances. 24-12 Robo-Totes processing a 6-point piece of algae through the field wall, and the human player from Raven has quite the arc on launching it into the Blue Alliance net, but they do pick up the 4 points along the way. That magic high-pitched noise definitely sounds like a motor having one bad time. 48 points on red, 49 now for blue. Blue actually pulls ahead. They were eating away at a deficit very quickly, and now it pays off with a very slight advantage. Here's Ramen Robotics lining up. Level 4, 5-pointer pending. They'll drop that one off, no problem, and scoop up 5 points of Alliance score. Next, Coral loaded up in the machine. They're going to bring it over to about the same quadrant of the Blue Alliance Reef, and they'll place that successfully. In basically the same spot we saw a robot drop earlier, now Jack in the Bot having connection problems right underneath the center barge. Solid safety light. Absolutely no indication there's a pattern to this. It just happens to be 2 events that happened in the same place. Robo-Totes, their alliance partners, dropping off a 5-point level 4 Coral to help bring the alliance up to 81 points. But Alliance 5 is really starting to find their groove now, continually placing Coral after Coral on that Blue Alliance Reef. Reaching up now, of course, they have the advantage of having all 3 robots fully functional. Royal Robotics reaching up, going to take, I think that's the last post. Well, they miss, and it falls back to the field of play. But it looks like that'll be the last post on level 4, whoever's able to get a Coral to go there. Royal's going to try again. 20 seconds left in the match. If there's one silver lining to Jack in the Bot's location when they lost comms, it's that they were already in the barge zone. So that'll be a 2-point park there. Robo-Totes trying to get their climb, but they are again a little lopsided. They got to make sure that back wheel is off the ground, and it looks like it is not. So looking like a 6-point endgame here on red and a 2-point on blue. We'll get a final score tallied up for you here in just a moment for match number 7. Match number 7 is accounted for here at Girls Gen. The Blue Alliance advances along in the upper bracket. And the seismology teams who measured the baseball sounds the other night probably